Welcome to our training academy. Here we have loads and loads of space for loads of students to come in and train. We have ability to get 2 motors in here and we can work on both of those at the same time, or we also have training panels working around commercial vehicles, doors, wings, bumpers, lots of other panels. As you can see over here, we have an array of Metamark colours. We get to use these on site whilst we are training, which is absolutely amazing. Over here in the corner, we have our training pod, another bespoke panel which you can learn to rap on, alongside our Graphtec plotter that works amazingly with our PPF. We partner with Graphtec and our PPF because it is amazing. Over on this side, we have our window tinting trolley, which holds all of our wonderful tools to get the best job for window tinting. And then we move over onto our vinyls where we have some stunning colours on the wall for you to see. So that's our training academy. We would love for you to join. So contact us today to secure your spot.